Do you find it hard to manage your money, even when you try your best? Personal finance can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. But don't worry, it doesn't need to be complicated. In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 personal finance rules that every beginner should know. These simple rules will help you save money, avoid common mistakes, and build a strong financial foundation for your future. If you're ready to take charge of your finances and start your journey toward financial freedom, keep watching. Let's dive in. 1. Spend less than you earn. One of the most fundamental rules of personal finance is also one of the easiest to understand. Spend less than you earn. This simple principle is at the heart of all sound financial decisions. If your expenses consistently exceed your income, you're bound to face financial difficulties. Living below your means might sound like a no-brainer, but the reality is that many people fail to live by this rule, especially in a world of instant gratification. The first step to spending less than you earn is to track your income and expenses. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Once you understand your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of enjoyment, but it does mean being mindful of your financial priorities. For example, if you're spending a significant amount on dining out or impulse shopping, consider whether these expenses align with your long-term goals. Creating a budget is a great way to ensure that your spending stays in check. By setting aside money for essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries, and then allocating a portion for savings or investments, you'll avoid overspending and stay on track. Budgeting doesn't have to be strict or complicated. It's all about planning where your money goes rather than letting it disappear without purpose. Remember, the goal is not to make drastic changes, but to gradually shift your spending habits. Over time, this will help you build a solid financial foundation. Many people also fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where they begin spending more as their income increases. If you get a raise or a new job, it can be tempting to upgrade your car, take expensive vacations, or increase your rent. However, maintaining the same lifestyle as before and saving the extra income is the key to building wealth. The more you practice living below your means, the more you can invest in your future. 2. Save and invest your money. Saving and investing are two sides of the same coin when it comes to growing your wealth. Saving money means putting aside money for emergencies or short-term goals, while investing means using your money to generate more money over time. Both are essential for long-term financial success. The first step in saving is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up can give you peace of mind in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Once you've built your emergency fund, the next step is to focus on long-term savings and investments. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow through the power of compound interest. Investing can seem intimidating, but you don't need to be an expert to get started. Investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds is one of the most common ways to grow your wealth. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many investment platforms allow you to begin with just a small amount. The key is consistency and letting your money work for you over time. By making regular contributions to your investments, you'll see your wealth grow exponentially. Many people get scared of the idea of investing because they fear losing money, but keeping all your savings in a low-interest savings account can lead to a loss of purchasing power due to inflation. The best part about saving and investing is that it's a long-term game. The more you save and invest, the better prepared you'll be for future financial goals like buying a home, retirement, or building a legacy for your family. And the beauty of investing is that your money can start working for you even when you're not actively thinking about it. 3. Pay off high-interest debt first. Debt can be a huge obstacle to financial success, especially when you have high-interest debt, such as credit cards or payday loans. High-interest debt is a wealth killer because the longer you take to pay it off, the more money you lose in interest. That's why paying off high-interest debt should be a priority when managing your finances. The first step in tackling debt is to list all of your debts, along with the interest rates. This will give you a clear understanding of where your money is going and how much interest you're paying each month. Once you've identified your high-interest debts, focus on paying them off as quickly as possible. One strategy is the debt avalanche method, where you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on others. Once the high-interest debt is paid off, move on to the next highest, and so on. Another option is the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first. While this method may take longer to save money on interest, it can be motivating to see your smaller debts disappear, which can help you stay committed to your goal. Tackling high-interest debt first not only saves you money on interest, but also frees up money for you to save and invest. If your debt is overwhelming, consider consolidating or refinancing options. Many lenders offer debt consolidation loans with lower interest rates, which can help you pay off your debt faster. But remember, the key is not to rack up more debt while you're paying off your current balances. By making paying off your debt a top priority, you're taking a major step toward financial freedom. 4. Protect your future with insurance and retirement plans. Protecting your financial future is just as important as saving and investing. Life is unpredictable, and you never know when unexpected events might arise. Insurance is one of the most effective ways to protect yourself and your family from financial ruin in the event of an emergency. Start with health insurance. Medical bills can easily spiral out of control without the right coverage. Even if you're healthy now, health insurance will protect you from high medical costs down the road. Similarly, life insurance is crucial if you have dependents. It ensures that your loved ones are financially taken care of in case of your untimely passing. Once you've taken care of insurance, it's time to focus on retirement planning. Many people make the mistake of thinking they don't need to worry about retirement until later in life. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA is an excellent way to ensure that you'll have enough money to live comfortably when you retire. Many employers also offer matching contributions to your 401k, which is essentially free money. Don't leave it on the table. Having proper insurance coverage and retirement savings plans ensures you're well prepared for the future, giving you peace of mind and financial security in case of emergencies. The earlier you start, the less you'll need to save each year to reach your retirement goals, and the better your quality of life will be in the long run. 5. Be consistent and patient. Finally, the key to personal finance success is consistency. Following the rules of personal finance isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps that add up over time. Whether it's sticking to a budget, saving a percentage of your income, or making regular contributions to your investments, the more consistent you are, the more progress you'll make. Patience is also a crucial part of financial success. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results, but the best way to build wealth is through long-term habits. Trust the process and remember that every little step you take is moving you closer to your financial goals. Consistency is key in personal finance because it's the repeated actions that lead to results. Building wealth takes time, and by consistently following the basic rules of finance, you'll eventually see the fruits of your labor. Whether it's saving a little bit every month, sticking to your budget, or investing for the future, small but consistent efforts over the years will pay off. Staying committed to your financial goals will keep you focused, even when the road gets tough. And that's it. By following these 5 simple personal finance rules, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage it. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient, and you'll see your financial situation improve over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money. Let me know in the comments which personal finance rule you plan to implement first, and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.